Welcome to iThink Logistics. Today we will be looking at reverse order support. To get started, go to the iThink Logistics menu. Click on View Reverse Order tab and the View Reverse Order page will be displayed. A reverse order is an order that was returned by the customer during the delivery for any reason. This guide will help you to keep track as the order reaches back to its origin. On this page, you will see 4 different tabs: Manifested, In Transit, Delivered, and All. Reverse order can be made by creating a new one or ordering in bulk, and by delivered order can be turned into a reverse order. If that is the case, the customer's address will be pickup and the seller address will be delivery address, which is RTO address. To save time and make things more practical, you can order in bulk by clicking on Bulk Upload button. To download, you can just click on Download CSV file and a sample file will be downloaded. To upload, you must select a pickup address based on which the bulk uploaded will be assigned and then select logistics accordingly. Then when you click Upload File, you can navigate to desired file in your system to upload it and then click on Submit. When you click on Export, you will be able to export all the table orders. By exploring the Manifested tab, you will be presented with this layout. And you will see that the Manifested tab has 2 options, Pending and Complete. If you click on Pending, you will see all the orders that still haven't been picked up. If you click on Complete, you will be able to see the completed orders that have been picked up. There is also search bar in which you can search orders according to their status and the tab that you selected. If you selected Pending, the options in the search bar will be Pending Pickup, which are the orders that still haven't been picked up, Out for Pickup, which are orders that are already out to be picked up, Reverse Cancelled, which are orders that were cancelled for reverse pickup, and Reverse Closed, which are orders that were closed for pickup. And if you select Complete tab, then the search bar will display orders which are picked from the customer's end. Now if you explore this search order ID bar, you can find an order through its ID or AWB number. And right next to it, you can click on Date filter to find orders within a specific time frame such as today, last day, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, past month, and any other time frame that fits your search needs. You can also click on Warehouse drop-down to filter the data according to their respective warehouse. And you can select the checkbox on Print Label to print labels in bulk. Right under the Manifest tab, you can find relevant details such as order ID, order date, payment, product details, customer details, shipping details, dimension weight, and action. And each of these attributes has its own filter to search within their available data. In order ID, you can search an order based on its unique given ID. In order date, you can find an order within a specific time frame. In payment, you can find an order according to their payment time. It can be COD or prepaid. In product details, you can find relevant information about a given product such as its name, its SKU, its quantity, and you can filter your orders according to SKU number. In customer details, you can find information about your customers that includes name, email address, and mobile number. All of the data can be filtered as well. And then you can check shipping details such as courier details and AWB number. As a seller, you are also able to see the dimension, volumetric weight, and entered weight of package. Lastly, you can take action by choosing one of the following options. You can view order. A seller will be able to see following details. Then you can check the order details such as order number, sub-order number, and order date. And the customer details such as full name, company name, mobile number, alternate mobile number, email address, PIN code, city, state, country. The seller can see product details such as SKU, quantity, price, tax, rate, HSN code, and discount. And additional charges such as shipping, gift wraps, transactions, discounts, first attempt discounts with the payment type. Also, the seller is able to view and edit the following details and the other details like reseller name, e-bill number, and GST in number. Then there is track order, which helps keep track of details of an order. And then there is also an option to print shipment label for the user.